Finally, a drone that actually comes in an intermediate form factor. Autel recently released a very important firmware update for the EVO Max 4T, and we got right to testing it out. So let's talk about everything that sets this mid-range enterprise drone apart. At just over 3.5 pounds, it is a reasonable jump up from the 2.5 pounds of the EVO 2 V3, yet still significantly lighter than other enterprise drones in this space with a similar set of features. The EVO Max 4T zoom camera boasts a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor that can snap photos at 48 megapixels and captures video at an impressive 8K resolution, which lends itself well to the whopping 160 times digital zoom available on this camera. The thermal camera comes in at 640 by 512 resolution, as we'd expect, and can be digitally zoomed up to 16 times when the situation calls for it. This drone also features a laser rangefinder that can measure distances of up to nearly 3/4 of a mile. In addition to the powerful hardware, the 4T also packs some great software features. Night operators can enhance dynamic range while reducing noise by using the aircraft's night mode, or what some of you may have heard Autel calling the Moonlight Algorithm 2.0. Daytime users can also enjoy software enhancement with the defog feature, which appears to compress the lower end of the color histogram to give pilots a slightly clearer view of objects and scenes that seem too hazy to decipher normally. But above all, we think Autel owners are going to be most excited about the dynamic tracking features on the EVO Max. You can see just how powerful the AI recognition feature is, accurately distinguishing and labeling literally dozens of objects simultaneously as they enter the field of view. And with the tripod mode activated, users can select objects for gimbal stabilized tracking that maintains a smooth magnification and framing of a subject on the move. Again, to our knowledge, this is by far the smallest drone with an object tracking feature this robust, less than half the weight of the next smallest competitor, and at a significantly lower price as well. If you'd like to know more about how to get your hands on one, we'll include a link in the video description. Now, there are still many more advanced features planned for release on this ship. We had a smooth experience with testing the waypoints feature on this firmware, but Autel has announced several other essential mapping features to come. So if you'd like to see them in action, make sure you're subscribed to this channel to be among the first to know when we post those videos. We've also been talking with Autel about testing the widely touted mesh feature new to the EVO Max, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.